Now for Black Rhino, that boy they are idiot. Even though a Popcaan friend, he need to stop the gun. Now Black Rhino I mean. I'm gonna take out this chronic law.
What was that about?
Well, we don't know the intricacies of it, but we recognize that from time to time there will be disagreements. One of the things that happen, especially with major shows and with artists from time to time, is that they have persons who want to follow them come into the venue. However, there are rules surrounding that, and we have to control shows like this to ensure that all the security measures and the measures that will ensure that people enjoy themselves are kept, and that is what obtained.
I just consider mashing up the show. However, there's a man, blood run through my veins, see? I'm gonna have to deal with things. Man, diss me publicly, drag him under the stage and disrespect him back privately. I'm gonna tell you something. Could have murdered you on another stage there. Copy, answer back and say, nowhere in the world no boy can thump him in my mouth or in my face and no dead right away, and him tell Burell to go suck him mother again. Yo, Papi I go on with some straight crazy thing, but how do I feel about this? I understand that all of the money my artists and promoter and those kind of people them walk with a chip on them shoulder. I don't think Popcaan them should have been outside waiting for 3 hours. And I also think that Popcaan should have lower him entourage. You know what I'm saying? No, I also think that it was a good thing Popcaan and the ugly boy Chronicler, who me personally don't like him. I don't know him from a drop of paint, but that boy they appear gun, Maggie the man them a center mass. You understand? So me feel like it was a good thing Papi them come in. Now, I don't think Popcaan should have tell Skatta Burell go suck him mother, but I do understand why him feel like that, cause him feel like him get disrespected publicly at a cartel thing, and him want Skatta feel the same way. So him just transfer his feelings back to Skatta Burell. One thing I did notice at the Freedom concert, couple different entertainers were absent, and I know this is kind of straying from the subject, but it still is the subject. Beenie Man for one was nowhere to be found, and I feel that something is wrong with that, because it shows how Beenie Man is, and from long time me know say Beenie man a big pussy. Him have more hate in him heart. Him legacy can be like Bounty Killer legacy, because when you look at Freedom Street concert, you know, that is Bounty Killer legacy. You understand? Beenie man and a king and a blood clot dancer. Him should have step out and run out on stage or come out and support Vybz Kartel, and as some me feel about it. Now, in terms of Skatta Burell and Popcaan. Popcaan is very unruly, and Burell, him look like him an idiot too, because obviously him a run one of the biggest music business in terms of reggae right now, and in link with the white boy Joe Harvey more name. But you know, me feel like the man them fi talk it out and stop the fuckery. You understand? And like me say, I understand how Popcaan feel, and me see enough people not like Popcaan, but him not bother me. Me feel like if me is a big time artist, how Popcaan roll or some me with a roll, you know, they have to roll with a bagger man, because you know how the place set, and man will try to test you. And the reality that, you know, of the business, and the chip on your shoulder and the chip on top of your head. So yeah. Now with Skatta Burell, you can't say that boy there and an idiot either. Cause him is very slow and very thoughtful and very deliberate, and both of the man them have points, but when me say tell the man them chill out with that, everybody get them point across, let's move on. Now for Black Rhino, that boy they are idiot, even though a Popcaan friend, he need to stop the gun. Now Black Rhino I mean, I'm gonna take out this, you know, chronic law, big black ugly chronic law. The man look like Krampus.
Horned, dark-haired, half-man, half-goat creature from alpine folklore who punishes children who misbehave.
If you watch the movie Santa Claus or a brother, you know, we name Krampus the rascal. You see, the boy chronic law, or that me I call him. Krampus, a big pussy, and Popcaan, mind them boy they make you get caught up. Which me know you're smart you, but mind them make you get caught up. And that's all me have to say to this. The man them to behave themselves. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.